This video, as of now, will be the first video of the genuine storm season of 2023 in my area. This will be a combination of videos from the storm that stretched from literally Alabama to up here, even the UP of Michigan. So yeah, enjoy. Gust of like, I don't know, 40 or 50 miles an hour. You can still hear it. And suddenly it's snowing. I ain't going outside. No way. That tree right there that fell apart, that was about to fall apart again. I swear it looked like someone was, like some invisible being was ripping on it or something. It's gonna get worse Friday. Well, guys, it is like 4 something. 4, I think it's like 4:40 or something, like last time I checked, something like that. Oh. Well, to tell you the truth, it's only 38 degrees outside. Mom should be getting up by now. Actually, like, give her a little bit, it's probably around 5. It's only 38 degrees out here. Also, the trailer's gone that was there. So we can look at that flag. It'll load. We can measure the wind this way. It's just not loading. I mean, it's not focusing. I do hear some thunder. It just won't load. I mean, it won't focus. See that? It just doesn't focus. It refuses. You're pissing me off. That's what you're doing. Rain's picking up since I started. I see it just unfocuses. Or you can focus on a ghost or something. I also need to be quiet because last time I made a video out here, I almost got yelled at by my dad, so I need to be quiet. You can see it like a cloud there. An SLC. It ain't Scud though. I'm just scared of a skunk popping up on me. That's what I'm scared of. Because last night I smelled a skunk outside my window. It reeked. It smelled like someone pissed on a piece of duct tape. Really? Hey! I think I got it to do it finally. Come on, wind blow. I want to see this thing move. Sweet. Maybe I can walk out here. Hey, now it's just sprinkling. You can see it's raining. Should probably get in. My toes are cold. Well, why'd you wear sandals? Because sun coming. I'm gonna keep this recording because I'm too lazy. I'll put on my shoes. Oh my god, I hear it picking up out there. Let me see where this is. Looks like it's dissipating, but there's still quite a bit of thunder. You hear that? I probably just woke my dad up. Wouldn't be shocked. Well, if he does come out here and start yelling at me, I'm leaving this on camera. I don't care. I'm not letting this go to waste. Even though it is kind of a waste. Oh, never mind. Here a little bit. Now it's starting to pick up. Why are my shoes soft? Why are my shoes all moist? Ew. Well, I haven't washed my shoes in a while. Or I should. By a while, I mean like a week. Being a teenager sucks. Also, I'm turning 15 soon, that's cool. Ain't gonna be no different. Another age is just another age. And that's what I'm learning. Hey, at least I'm looking forward to getting older. I hear rumbles every once in a while. I think that's thunder. I hope. I ain't even... What's over there? Oh, you can see how thin that tree is up there. It's just because, like, the past 2-3 years, we've basically lived in a dang hurricane. What is that noise? I'm not sure if it's... I don't know. I'll keep in mind there's another bout of this, so I might record an extra long video for the first storm of the year. We'll see though. What is that? I saw my mom in there. Nope. Why would she be awake at 4 o'clock in the morning? No, not even 4 o'clock. What is it? I can't read. Yeah, you can't walk outside now. Ow! Something hard in my shoe. Screw you. Up a wall. I seen something flash over there for a second. See how much brighter it is over there than over here. It's because that's where the big city is. So it's brighter. Over here it's just nothing for about 5 miles. Well guys, I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if anything happens. I'm gonna stop this video right here. So I'll meet you guys back in a little bit. Maybe. I'm not sure though. Well, 3 hours go by. Thought I calmed right down. It was heavier than this when I was looking for my camera. You almost couldn't think. It was so loud. And then we heard a crash of thunder. So I was like, I really need to get my camera now. Also, when I said it was 38 degrees, well, it's 48 now. It is 48 degrees. Also, they bumped the marginal risk forward a bit, so we're on the border of a marginal risk and a slight risk of severe weather. Hi, sir. Jeez. It's cold. Look at the yard. I'm getting chills. I ain't going out there though. I'm probably gonna get a sick. Yeah, I'm gonna get a sick. Zoom up there real quick. I just kicked a basket. Hey, at least I didn't kick a Cara basket. Am I right? That's a crow. That's so cool. My mom, she's in the same spot. Craziness. Well then. Oh yep, here comes the heavy rain. It's coming back. Yes, the neighbors did leave for something. They were packing up all in the pouring rain and stuff. They just left. We had to give their car a jump a little while ago. Not as windy as I said it would be, excuse me. I'll go for a little while longer. And then I'll stop. Wait till later today, because it's supposed to be hecka later today. Hello. Hey, okay. Yeah. Looks like that's about it. I guess I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, robin! Look, there's a robin in the rain. I found a worm. Oh, there it goes. That was so cool. Okay, yeah. See you this afternoon or evening or whatever. Wind did pick up a little bit. Throw this into the air. Stick. It almost hit me in the head. Teen in trailer park dies because he threw a stick into the air. And it hit his head while recording a thunderstorm. I'm just doing homework, as she's calling it. Or she's just watching Black Crow's videos. I think. I'm sweating now. Hello. Some cheapo pretzels. Ooh, thought I messed up. What was that? Yep, you see that? It's gonna be a really long episode. You can hear it. You can hear it.
Coming?
Yeah. It's big. That right there. That's coming for us. It might miss us to the south, it might miss us to the north. We don't really know what it's doing. It's like a drunk person on a bicycle.
I've been there. I did that once.
Interesting.
Or twice.
This is why I like that I have Gen X parents. They're wise, they're smart, they're not like parents nowadays. Everything's about technology and being absorbed. So, oh well. I'm not gonna say more because YouTube's probably gonna kill me, so. There's floods here too. The glare of that light. That's what that is. Focus, it's not that hard. God. And flash again while I'm out here. It's just eerie. That eerie silence. Nice. Okay, that's all I wanted. It took you forever, but I'm going to go back. I don't know if I'm going to pause this or not. This is quite far away still. I don't know. I think I'll be right back. Again. It's about here. It's over Potterville right now. Keep this door slightly open. It's all around here now. Sick. Can't even go outside now because it's pouring. I don't know if we're even gonna see any bolts, but we'll see. You might hear an EAS message on my phone if there's a severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah, probably mine too. Okay.
Huh?
Mine too, probably.
Alright. Cool. Sheesh. Yeah, it's all hazy over there now. It's low contrast. Yep, that's it right there. What is that? What? Oh, my mom went down the hallway. She was silhouetted. I was like, what the? Drop on the screen, of course. Sick. Not quite. Yep, we're in the right on the border of the slight risk and the marginal risk. We're getting hit. When it starts pouring, I'm gonna take my phone inside. Oh! I got that! I got that, dude. Hey, at least I'm going. There's a lot of lightning here. Pointed to the skies. I hope my battery doesn't run out doing this. I lied. I'm a liar. This is sick. Yeah. And the hail core ain't dying, so we should probably get this soon. Yeah. For severe weather, severe thunderstorm watch or warning to be issued, there has to be like winds over 60 miles an hour or something. There has to be hail or a tornado. Obviously, that's gonna make a tornado warning. It's over there too. Oh, shoot. Oh, that lit it up, dude. There, now that droplet shouldn't be there. Droplet. Awesome. Where are we? Okay, we're at that one. This is halfway through the county. Eaton County, I mean. Excuse me. That sounded like a bomb. Rabbit. That's a rabbit. There goes. Yeah, there's a rabbit. Excuse me. Dang. You coming outside?
Wanna go to the park?
Nah. Do you want to?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll stay here.
Hmm?
We'll stay here.
I'm just thinking about playing.
Oh, sorry.
No biggie.
I'll go if you want to go.
It's up to you. We can stay.
Alright.
That's fine.
It's just because I don't want this to hit us out there.
Uh-huh.
You okay?
Uh-huh.
She gotta go. It's gonna get loud. Yeah, we made a dog bark. Man, this thing's not focusing. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back once again. I had to fix that with manual focus. This thing's so stupid. Ow. Ooh, I got that. Is that hail core dying? Just barely. There's Mom.
Oh. Honk. Woohoo! Great color.
Had to fix the focusing because it started to not focus.
It's a pretty color. Looks really good.
Sick.
On camera.
Yeah. Ooh, that made a dog bark. It's really good for the beginning of the year. Well, almost. First storm of the season. Same pattern as 2020, one of the biggest storms of the year at the beginning of the year. The biggest storm of 2020, I think, was the Iowa derecho. What are you doing? No. You're messing my phone up. You do that again, I'll mess you up. What is it thinking? I will turn this phone off. It thinks I'm zooming in. Thinks I'm zooming into the radar. Why? And now it's not letting me get rid of it. Now it's frozen! It's not, it's just, it crashed. My phone crashed. Now it thinks I'm turning the volume down when I'm trying to turn it off. What is it doing? Oh my god! I'm not moving anything anywhere! I'm not poking the camera! God bless it! Get out now before I shoot you. What? What? What?
Right there.
That's right there, man.
Yeah.
It's right there. Ooh. That's right there, man. Now if you will please not do this to me again. Keeps thinking there's someone touching it. Ooh. Crackle, crackle, pop, pop. No, I did not press that. I am not dumb like you are. God dang it. Special weather statement. What's that mean? Oh, just it has something to do with severe weather. This is really getting sketchy. Yeah?
No, I'm just saying concentrate on
I know. I'm gonna take this back in so it doesn't glitch out on me. Plus it's about to die.
Phone?
Yeah. I'll just keep it slightly open. It's right there, man. It's like 6 feet. Ooh! It's like 6 feet away. Dad needs to get home. Said an hour ago he said he'd be here in an hour. That's it. Stop pressing stuff. Stop pressing stuff. Focus out. Oh, zoom out. It is. Focus out. Nothing. Oh my lord. How? God almighty. That's it. And someone's car having a stroke. We ain't gonna go out to the park. It'd be like the tallest thing there, so. I mean, it'd be beautiful and all, it's just really sketchy. Dad, you need to come home. What? Okay. Mom's going out to the back. I should probably be wearing shoes. Just if my shoes get wet, I could probably get hit more than I already could be. I'm not risking it. Maybe I will. Actually, it's raining. Nice. I tell you what, I'm a lot more grown up than I was a year or two ago. Back when I really started doing this as a hobby, like around this time, 2021, I think like April or something, I used to flip every time there's a lightning strike. I go, what? How? Just be yelling like Reed Timmer every 5 seconds. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like him, it's just, he yells quite a bit. I'm gonna go out to the back. Hey, Mom. Zilero. It's blue. I'm gonna go back out front in a minute. I just wanted to see this from here.
Yeah. I've got a twig.
Twig.
It's quite a twig. It's one heck of a twig. Twig!
Don't burn my hair.
Need a band called Twig.
Sticks, twigs.
I see. Sticks has been done.
Yeah.
Twig.
And then there's a log. Nice. It almost looks like it's daytime for a second. I think that's hail. No, that's the tree, I think. I'm gonna head back.
Alright.
Get back before it's too late. And we might not get an EAS message because my phone died. Of course. Ooh! I think I heard her. Quash, quash. You heal with that quash? My sores are getting. My sores getting feet. My feet are getting sore, rather. Ooh, these last long. That's it. Oh god, you could hear it all over. I think the rain's picking up. It's here, dude. It took about 10 minutes, but it's here. They said this thing was going like 50 miles an hour. Which doesn't make sense. There's not a lot of wind. And I got here in 10 minutes since I started, and it was like right there. This is it. Ow. Nice. Those look like eyes in the forest. Those are lights. Well, one eye apparently from here. Ow! That shocked me. That shocked me a little bit. I was holding on to the door. I ain't doing that now. That shocked me. Shocked me. That shocked me. And it hurted. Hopefully the door isn't locked. What are they doing? Oh. Yeah, it's here. This is the finale, I'd say. Unless that storm, with all the tornado warnings, if it comes to hit us. In that case, then we are... Probably turn on channel 6. I'm not sure though. Rain's getting heavy. I messed it up. Dude, I just took down my camera and it started flashing. Whatever. It's so... I'm messing my dang sensor up. Okay, never mind, it's kind of fixed. I need to find my cloth for this again. Do you have any chairs? Can't even hear anything. Sick. I'm gonna look north of me real quick. That's gonna get loud. My dad should be home by now. I know I always say that. Oh, dang. Dang, dang, dang. What just tinged? Oh, it's this. It's a ding. I know what someone should do. Put a bunch of pots and pans out here. And wait for a hailstorm, see what it sounds like. Oh! What the hell? My phone's about dead. Lightning proximity alert. And someone liked my comment. Dang, I come in for 1 second and then now it's pouring out here. Uh-oh. My battery's dead! Oh my god, my battery's dead. Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, well, I'm back. Pants are getting wet. All that lightness right there, that's rain falling. It is getting heavy. I'm really worried. I'm getting kind of worried. That him? No, it's not. That's not him. That should have been here like 45 minutes ago. Right? Right? Whoa. Look at my arm. I just stuck it out there for like 5 seconds. I don't see no hail. This thing is leaking like crazy. Yep, it's dead. Dad's home. Dad, you should get in the back. Shoot. I need to get this out of the way. Ow! I keep feeling it on the my hand when I touch the door. It's all the way up there. It doesn't make sense. Dad's home. So that's good. He should have been like pulled over on the pulled over into like the side on the freeway or something. That's what I was thinking. No, not get pulled over. I mean like pulled over. Pulled himself over. Where'd he go? Oh, here. Storm. Sick. Oh, sheesh. Well, glad he's home. Get on there. Welcome. There he goes again. Okay, yeah, he's moving the ballista. Alright. Whoa. It smells like electricity. My hair ain't standing. Okay, it did for a second. What the heck? My hair ain't standing up. It ain't wet either. Yeah, it's calming down. Winding down. Dang, that ain't yet, but starting to lay off a bit. What?
What?
I want to see the radar real quick.
What?
Radar.
What?
Radar. Yeah, it's going right through it. Ooh. Why am I zoomed in? Oh, yeah, I forgot. It just won't let up. No hail. I was hoping for at least a little bit of hail, but hey, this isn't bad. Whoa, falling over. Thought there was something on me. Still going. I thought it was calming down, but it's still going. I think it's evaporating over there. Oh! Golly, I can't see. Nice. Love to see it. Yeah, still going. Trying to fix this. Oh wow, I give up. I'm gonna stop recording in a minute. And since it's calmed down from where it was, my legs are sore at this point. Sadly didn't get an AES message. I almost said AES. EAS message yet. But, at all, but it's something. We got something. Whoa. Something smells like fries.
Fries.
That? What is that?
Bologna.
Oh, fried bologna. Smells like fries. See just how much it's raining. I'm gonna have to stop soon. Dad. Yeah, let's calm down right here. I think the bulk of it's over. I guess this is the end of it. If that storm does come through, I will add to this, but yeah. That was nuts. Quite nuts. Quite nuts. Well, I'll see you next time.